Hi, I'm Varun. I'm here to explain the second experiment of system software and compiler design lab. Um, and Here I have imported some basic packages which is required to do some basics operation. And here I have printed out using some basic command system.out.println and enter the code, and I have declared a variable string, a variable s1, a string, and I and j as integers, and then I got an input and I have taken the input as s1 until and then split the strings with spaces, and to the string spaces, and again print some like this experiment. The basic operation of this experiment is tokenizer. It's to separate tokens. So, when you have to give the inputs like this: int space a space equal to space 23, where the compiler takes it and splits where the space comes, and show whether the given value or variable or identifier as a value or a variable. And this also shows whether the function has a return type or not, and whether it has parameters or not. So I get the input as s1, and splits with and then split wherever the space comes, and and uh, and here I have an if statement which checks whether it is to check whether the given string is data type or not. If the given character or word is any of these 6 or 7 data types, then it shows it shows under the table data type. And here I'm comparing whether and here the equal to compares, shit. Okay, now here I have some of the basic operations which separates the strings wherever the space comes, and checks whether the given word is a data type or id or value. And if any of these parentheses or semicolon comes, it considers that as mm, an punctuation, and neglects it. And here I have entered the code int space a is equal to 23, comma space, comma space b space equal to space 21, which is equal to 21, and colon, and this thing displays everything separately in a different table that I have used, that I have printed out using system.out.println. And here the compiler identifies the a and b as identifiers, and the int as data type, and float as also float as a return type for the function, float for the function ab, and the parameters are int and float. And that's it. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.